Hey guys, welcome back. Well, watching the other video, you'll see we did cylinder 1 and then cylinder 2. Now we're going to do, cylinder 3 and here's cylinder 2. We're going to do a compression test. See how these cylinders are, working with one another. See if they're all correct. Reach the ignition here on this tractor. This one's about 85. What do you think down there in the comments, guys? Leave some comments. Tell me if you think this tractor's going to run. I said, if you watch the other two videos, you'll see where the other compressions are at. See if we can get this old puppy fired up and running. It's been sitting for a couple decades. We're going to put new fuel in it, new oil, change all the fluids. Let me know down in the comments. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Smash that thumbs up button. You'll have a great day.